The first difference between a belt-driven mower and a hydro mower, well, of course, is the belts. But the gear shift and the way that you brake, go forward, and reverse is all different. This mower is a recoil start, so you've got reverse, neutral, 1 through 5. On the handle, you have your neutral lock, which is actually important because you can be in a gear and then have the neutral lock engaged. This handle here is the safety kill switch if you were ever thrown from the mower. This throttle is fairly strange as well because the choke is all the way up at the top, and then to stop it you pull it all the way down. Now actually, when I got this mower, it was used. As you can see, it's old, and to stop this mower I actually have to come down here and pull that. Could get it fixed, but this is just a backup anyways. To brake on this machine, you grip this underneath, and that will brake or turn. So if you were to just squeeze the right, you'll brake to the right and you will turn right. Same can be applied on the left or both at the same time to obviously stop. But every time that I've messed around with it so far, it seems that reverse is really hard to use. I don't know if it's because this mower is just old or if it's because belt-drivens just naturally are hard to use in reverse. Leave a comment down below if you use this style of mower and if you have trouble in reverse. Since this belt-driven mower is in neutral, I'm just going to walk up and show you how you can just push it. Now, it is fairly difficult, but in a dire situation, you need to just pull back. I mean, it does come back pretty easily. Going forward in neutral is the hard part. A lot of weight and force needs to be applied to get this going.